We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the fmlave eye massager with heat and cooling. This device is designed to relieve eye strain, migraines, dry eyes, and dark circles through a combination of heat, cooling, air compression massage, and soothing music. It is rechargeable, Bluetooth-enabled, and portable, making it suitable for use at home, work, or while traveling. Many users report that the intelligent heated massage warms the eyes quickly to a comfortable temperature around 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which helps reduce dryness and headaches caused by eye strain. The cooling function maintains a temperature near 67 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively reducing puffiness, pink eye symptoms, and eye pain. The air compression massage targets the eyes and temples, providing relief through gentle pressure and scientifically designed acupoint stimulation. The ergonomic design features a groove to protect the eyeballs, skin-friendly leather material, and an adjustable headband that fits most face shapes comfortably. The device also includes Bluetooth connectivity to play relaxing music, either from the built-in options or stream from a phone, enhancing the relaxation experience. The massager folds 180 degrees for portability and has a Type-C charging port with a 2,500 mAh battery that supports 6 to 10 uses per full charge. Users who spend long hours in front of screens find this eye massager particularly beneficial. Many mention that the ability to switch between heat and cooling depending on their needs is invaluable. The massaging function adds to the comfort, although some use it less frequently. The automatic 15-minute shutoff is a helpful feature that prevents overuse and eliminates the need for a separate timer. The rechargeable battery is convenient, avoiding the hassle of cables during use. However, some users have noted drawbacks. The device has some weight, which can cause pressure on the face when lying down. The default auto-start music can be turned off, but the setting does not save, requiring manual adjustment each time. The massager's temple area can feel tight, even with the adjustable band, which may cause discomfort for some. The session length is fixed at 15 minutes, and the cooling function sometimes shuts off after about 4 minutes, which some users find limiting. A few users have reported headaches after use, possibly due to the pressure or heat settings, and caution is advised for those with eye conditions or recent eye surgery. Customer support appears to be lacking, with some users unable to get responses from the manufacturer or Amazon regarding issues or questions. This is an important consideration for potential buyers. Overall, the fmlave eye massager with heat and cooling delivers effective relief for eye fatigue, dryness, and mild headaches related to screen use and migraines. Its combination of heat, cooling, massage, and music creates a soothing experience that many users appreciate. While some design aspects could be improved, such as adjustable session length, music settings, and fit, the product generally satisfies the needs of those seeking eye relaxation and pain relief. It is recommended especially for people who work long hours on computers or suffer from eye strain and mild migraines. The cost is considered justified by many users given the benefits and features offered. If you have this eye massager, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel.